Are you passionate in farming? Then you're in the right place. Today I am going to show you step by step on how to put up a vegetable garden on concrete. Welcome to my channel. I'm Emily, a stay-at-home mom who is passionate in turning her home into a sanctuary of creativity, faith and purpose. So before, I had this beautiful garden here until this happened. Concrete. As you can see, there is some work going on here. No more garden for me and no soil. So what next? I had to come up with ideas on how to grow some vegetables for my family. And God gave me an idea. First, choose a spot where you want to place your garden and build a bed. Actually, you can use any material to do this. As you can see, mine is the building blocks, but you can use timber, you can use wire mesh or some paper or some iron sheet. You just need something to hold the soil. I had to put this wire mesh all around because I have chicken that are roaming around, as you have seen. There is this one waiting patiently for my vegetable to come. Next, layer your bed with sticks or logs or cartons, anything that can help the soil from being waterlogged. This also creates a drainable base for your garden and increases humidity. Just don't worry about the sticks, guys. They will rot away with time. After that, fill your bed with soil mixed with manure. And if you don't have the manure, it's okay. You can add it later. The manure just helps the fertility of the soil. When you're done, just water the garden so that the soil can penetrate the sticks and your garden is ready for planting. Pardon my cameraman who decided to rotate my camera. You can actually plant any vegetable, but today I am doing the spinach. After planting, make sure you water them in the morning, lunch and evening. 2 weeks later, my garden is doing so well. And a month later, it is ready for harvest. Wow, see how beautiful my spinach are. Yummy. Now this is 3 months later and the building project is still going on, as you can see. So I had to give up my building blocks and I needed something to hold my garden intact. So I used this plain sheet to just keep the garden in check. But it was doing fine. It is functional and I love that. I love that. In another video, I'm going to show you how to plant in sacks and containers. So subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out. Thank you guys for watching and God bless.